This is what Keeling produced. His measurements started in 1958 at 315 parts per million carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And the first thing that you notice is a rise and fall each year, which is the seasonal variation in carbon dioxide. Even in these early years, you could spot a rising trend, but you only get a true picture of the power of this graph when you stand back and track the changes through the decades, such that here, today, 2008, we're at 386 parts per million. This relentless year-on-year rise in carbon dioxide is the one undisputed piece of evidence in the whole global warming debate.
It meant that nobody could seriously argue with one simple statement. The human race has steadily increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. The significance of Keeling's discovery is simple, because carbon dioxide is a remarkable gas.
I can show you how carbon dioxide affects Earth's climate using this heat-sensitive or infrared camera, which is purring away here, and a candle, this glass tube, which is hooked up to this rather large canister of carbon dioxide gas. Now, if I light the candle, you'll see that on the monitor, the camera picks up the flame perfectly. Look at that. The hottest parts are glowing white. Now watch what happens when I turn on the carbon dioxide.
Just keep your eye on the flame.
The gas is invisible, so you don't see it fill in the tube. But as it comes in, you should see the candle start to disappear. There it goes. Look at that. What's happening is that the carbon dioxide in the tube is effectively trapping the heat.
The candle's warmth no longer reaches the camera. Instead, it's absorbed by the carbon dioxide inside the tube. That's exactly how carbon dioxide works in the atmosphere. It traps heat, preventing it from escaping into space, and warms the atmosphere in the process. The more carbon dioxide there is in the air, the more heat is trapped. This is the greenhouse effect. As the temperatures rose in the 1970s, Keeling's carbon dioxide graphs seemed to provide the perfect explanation.